Tired of your messy room showing up in every Webex call? Learn how to blur or replace your background instantly. I will walk you through signing in, starting a meeting, and changing your virtual background in just a few clicks. So let us jump right in. First, you need to open Webex and sign into your account. This part is straightforward. Just launch the app on your computer, enter your email and password, and you are in. If you do not have the desktop app, you can be all of this from the web version as well. I have tested both, and they work the same way for backgrounds. Once you are signed in, go ahead and start a new meeting or join one that is already on your calendar. It does not matter which you pick. You can even start a test meeting with just yourself to practice. In my experience, that is the best way to get comfortable before a real call. Now, if your camera is off, click the Start Video button. You will usually find this on the bottom toolbar. This turns your camera on so you can see yourself. And here is the important part. Without your camera on, you cannot access the virtual background options, so make sure you are visible on screen first. All right, now that you can see your face, click the small video drop-down arrow next to the Stop Video button. It is a tiny arrow icon right beside it. Click that, and a menu will pop up. This menu has a few different settings, but we are looking for the virtual background section. Scroll down to that section. You will see it labeled clearly. And here is where the fun begins. You have three main choices. You can choose None to remove any background effect you might have accidentally applied. You can choose Blur to blur out your real background, or you can select one of the preset virtual background images, like an office or a scenic view. Click your preferred background to apply it immediately. That is all it takes. The change happens in real time, so you will see it instantly on your screen. Make sure you check your video preview to confirm it looks good. Look at the small preview window to see if the background fits you properly. If it cuts off part of your head or looks glitchy, you might need to adjust your lighting or try a different option. Once you are happy, close the camera settings menu by clicking anywhere outside of it. Your virtual background is now set for this meeting. And the best part is, Webex remembers your choice, so next time you join a call, it will still be there. Now, if the background is not working properly, here are a few quick fixes. Make sure you have good lighting on your face. Webex needs to see a clear contrast between you and your background. Also, try using a plain wall behind you if you can. If the blur looks choppy, go back and select a static image instead. And if nothing works, update your Webex app to the latest version. I have fixed so many issues just by doing that. Let us quickly review the steps. Sign in. Start a meeting, turn on your camera, open the video settings, scroll to Virtual Background, pick your choice, and confirm it looks good. That is it. You now know exactly how to change your virtual background in Webex. No more stressing over what is behind you, just a clean, professional look every time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.